So question is like this. We have question number 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Question number 1. So what is that?
The sum
They
of
are sum of
3 consecutive odd numbers, odd natural numbers.
sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers being how much?
Odd number is 87.
87.
So what are the 3 numbers?
Yeah. So let consecutive let consecutive odd three odd numbers are x plus 2 and
X plus
x plus 4, right?
3. Yes, sir.
So as per question x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is equal to 87, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is 1, 2 and 3. So there is 3x plus 6 is equal to 87. So 3x is equal to 87 minus 6 is equal to 81, right? So 3x is equal to 81. So x is equal to 81 by 3. So 2 times 3 becomes 6. 8 minus 6 becomes 2. 1 carries. 7 times 3 becomes 21. So x is equal to 27. X plus 2 is equal to 27 plus 2 becomes 29, and x plus 4 is equal to 27 plus 4, it becomes 31. So this is the solution of the question. Do you get this?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now Come to the last question. What is your last question?
Sir, bit 2 spends.
Question number 13.
No, sir. 18.
18. Okay. So, question number 18 is like this. What?
Bit 2 spends 1/3 of the money.
पहले शुरू से पढ़ोगे लेकिन बिट्टू हैज सम मनी शायद.
नहीं, bit 2 है, सब money नहीं लिखा सर. So bit 2 spends 1/3 of the money with him on the books.
Okay. So here, let Bittu has money rupees X. Money is spent on purchasing books is equal to 1/3 of X, that is X by 3. Now remaining money is equal to X minus X upon 3. So we take here, it becomes 3. So 3x minus x. So we'll get 2x upon 3. So remaining money is 2x upon 3. Now then what is this?
Sir, on the books, 1/4 of the money on the food.
Okay. 1/4.
Money on the food
of remaining on food. So therefore 2x upon 3 minus 1/4. So we will take 12. So it becomes 12 divided by 3 becomes 4, and 2 times 4 becomes 8x minus 4 divided by 1/4 of remaining money. 1/4 of remaining money. So that is 1/4 of 2x upon 3. 1 time, 2 time, it becomes x upon 6. Spend on food. Spend on food. Right? Now what it is saying?
So 2 upon 5.
And now remaining money is?
So 2 upon 5.
एक मिनट. Remaining money is equal to 2x upon 3 minus x upon 6. So we have taken 6, so it becomes 4x minus x. Huh?
Sure.
So it becomes how much? 3x upon 6. 3 times 1 becomes 3, 2 times 3 becomes 6.
Yes, sir.
So it becomes x by 2. Remaining money now x by 2. So now what he is doing?
So 2 upon 5 of the remaining on travel.
So on travel, spend 2 by
5.
of x by 2. Right? So this 2 and 2 is gone. So x upon 5. Right?
Yeah.
So he is spending x upon 3 on books. Right? 1 upon 6 on food. X upon 5 on travel. And remaining money is still in hand is money
So 450 he is
In-
left with 450.
hand is equal to rupees
450.
450. So we can write x minus x upon 3 plus x upon 6 plus x upon 5 is equal to 450. Getting? Now what you will do, man? So you will go x minus, you take here 30 LCM, that is 10x plus 5x plus 6x upon 450. Now 30 we will take LCM, so it becomes 30x minus how much? 21. 10 plus 5 15 plus 6 becomes 21x is equal to 450. Right?
Yes, sir.
So now what is left? This 30 minus 30x minus 21x is equal to
450.
9x. 9x. So we can write 9x is equal to 450 into 30. 9 times 5 times 9 becomes 45. It becomes 50. So x is equal to rupees 1500. Getting?
Yes, sir.
So it means Bittu has money is equal to Bittu has money. Bittu has money is equal to rupees X or rupees 1500. This is your answer. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You done this?
Yes.
Great. Now come to next question number 17. What is question number 17?
Sir, Karthik buys some apples of the rate of rupees 10 per apple.
Okay. This is question number
17, sir.
question number 17. Karthik buys some apples, right?
Yes, sir.
And cost of one apple is equal to how much?
10 rupees. 10 per apple.
Rupees 10. So total cost of apples is equal to
Rupees 10.
when X into rupees 10 becomes 10x, right?
Yes, sir.
फिर
Sir, फिर है, he also buys an equal number of the oranges
okay,
at
now,
rate.
just wait. Number of oranges is equal to number of apples is equal to X. Cost of one orange is how much?
6 per. Okay.
Rupees 6. So total cost of oranges
X into 6.
oranges is equal to X into rupees 6 becomes 6x. Okay, now what is question?
Sir, he makes a 15% profit on apples and 8% profit on oranges.
Okay, just wait. Make 15% profit on apples. So profit is equal to 15% of 10x, right?
Yes, sir.
So 15 upon 100, sorry, we can do here 15 upon 100 into 10x. 100 cancel. 3 times 5. 3 times 5 becomes 15. 2 times 5 becomes 10. So his profit is 2 by 3x. Okay, and makes 6%, na?
Yes, sir.
profit on oranges, right?
Yes, sir.
So profit on oranges this was profit on apples, right?
Yes, sir.
So makes 6% profit on oranges. So profit on oranges is equal to 6 upon 100 into 6x.
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Yes, sir.
कितना हुआ?
एक zero cancel.
uh,
6 sorry.
50 by 3 फिर 25 by 3, so it becomes 9x upon 25, right?
Yes, sir.
ये प्रॉफिट इसका, ये प्रॉफिट इसका. अभी क्या लिखा हुआ है?
Sir, so the total profit earned by Karthik at the end of the day is rupees 396.
अच्छा, total profit is equal to rupees 396, right?
Yes, sir.
This is you are saying, na?
Yes, sir.
Six. So we have 2x upon 3 plus 9x upon 25 is equal to 396, right? So if we take 75 here, right?
Yes, sir.
So it becomes how much? 75 divided by 3 becomes 25, and 25 2 times becomes 50x plus 9x is equal to 396, right? So 59x is equal to, so 59x oh 59x is equal to 396 into 75, right?
Yes, sir.
अब is this correct? Sum of these two is equal. You are saying 396, na?
Yes, sir. Rupees 396.
396.
सर आपने ऑरेंज की कॉस्ट कितनी है?
Oh, sorry. 25 ये कितना हुआ? 25 75 divided by 25 becomes 3, and 9 times 3 becomes 27. This is 27. When you add these two, you get 77. Right?
Yes, sir.
You get 77. Now, we have x is equal to 396 into 25 upon 77. Right? Now,
सर हमने ऑरेंज की प्रॉफिट कितना लिखा है?
profit on orange is
वो 8% है.
no. This is 3/2 ना.
Yes, sir.
तो ये हो जाएगा 3/2x. 3/2x. Profit on apple is 3/2x.
Yes, sir.
So here will be 3x upon 2. So we'll change the scenario here. Whole scenario will be changed. It becomes, here is 50, right? 25. It becomes 75x and plus 2, 18x, right? So now you get how much? 75, 93x, 93x upon 50 is equal to 396. This is 31. This is 132.
सर ऑरेंजेस का रेट 6 रुपए, प्रॉफिट तो उसका 8% है ना.
कहाँ यार बोल रहे हो तुम?
मेक 6% में प्रॉफिट.
हो
तो भाई तो मैं बोल रहा था कि ऑरेंजेस का प्रॉफिट, ऑरेंजेस का प्रॉफिट.
This profit is of
8%.
8%. भगवान, 8% profit. So for oranges, तो ये कितना है? Oranges कितने हैं अपने पास?
Cost equals to number of apples.
6x ना?
Yes, sir.
तो 8 upon 100 into 6x. हाँ?
Yes, sir.
2 and 25.
Yes, sir.
So it becomes 12x upon 25. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Now, total profit of day is equal to 396. So 3x upon 2 plus 12x upon 25 is equal to 396. Is equal to 396. Right?
Yes, sir.
So how much you will get? That is 50 here, 25. It's 75x plus 20. Hello.
Yes, sir.
25. 2 times 25 becomes 50.
Yes, sir.
And 12 2 times 12 becomes 24x. So 24x is equal to 396. So this is how much?
25.
This is 5 plus 4 becomes 9.
Yes, sir.
And 7 plus 2 becomes 9x. Upon 50 is equal to 396. So now we get x is equal to 396 into 50 upon 99. 99 multiplied by 4. Right? 396. And 4 times 5 becomes 20. So 200. So number of apples is equal to x is equal to 200. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Finally we got the answer. हाँ?
सर अभी और है.
और कुछ नहीं है. क्या लिखा पढ़ो?
सर ना हो गया.
नहीं तो पढ़ा है दोस्त.
नहीं.
Okay, this was 17th. Now come to 16.
Yes.
What is question number 16?
Sir, 16. A boat takes 9 hours to travel a distance upstream.
Okay, just try to understand the things. This is question number
16, sir.
16. If this is water, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the boat. If it is going downstream, then relative speed is equal to x plus y, right? Kilometer per hour. Where x is speed of boat in still water. Right? And this y is equal to speed of stream, right? And when it is going in upward direction, right? When it is going upward, that is upstream, then relative speed is equal to x minus y kilometers per hour. Same, x is speed of boat in still water and y is speed of steam when going up, when going down. अभी ये क्या कह रहा है? A boat is moving same distance, है ना? Boat is moving same distance, right? Boat is moving in same distance, right? Oh, sorry. Boat is moving in same stream. Getting up. Boat is moving same distance. Is this?
Yes, sir.
Why not you speaking, यार?
The phone.
कोई बात नहीं बनने तो मुझे ध्यान दो. Boat is moving same distance, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what means? D kilometer. अभी क्या दिया गया है?
Sir, a boat takes 9 hours to travel a distance upstream.
9 hours upstream. Okay. Then
Sir, and takes 3 hours to travel the same distance downstream.
3 hours downstream. Right?
Yes, sir.
Upstream means x minus y, or here is x plus y. The unit is kilometer per hour. And speed of boat in still water
4 kilometers per hour.
Still water, that is equal to x is equal to 4 kilometers per hour, right?
Yes, sir.
ये भी किलोमीटर पर hour. Okay, so we have a general formula. What? We have a formula. Speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance is equal to speed into time, right?
Yes, sir.
Distance is constant right?
Yes, sir.
So we can write distance is constant. So upstream relative speed upstream into time t1 है ना
Yes, sir.
is equal to relative speed
T1.
huh?
Sir, relative speed
speed upstream
into T1.
t1 टाइम t1 लेंगे ना इसका एंड रिलेटिव स्पीड डाउनस्ट्रीम into t2 तो रिलेटिव स्पीड अपस्ट्रीम कितनी हो गई x minus y so it becomes and x is equal to 4 so it is 4 minus y into 9 is equal to 4 plus y is into 3 ठीक है
Yes, sir.
36 minus 9y is equal to 12 plus 3y. Then this 9y comes here, it goes there. So 3x minus 12 is equal to 9y plus 3y. So it becomes 24 is equal to 12y. So y is equal to 24 upon 12 becomes 2 kilometers per hour. Right?
Yes, sir.
The speed of a stream is equal to 2 kilometers per hour. Have you done this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. This was question number 16. This point you have to keep in mind. Right? Then only you can solve this question. So what is next question you have? This was 16.
Yes, sir. 15.
What is 15?
Sir, two cars A and B leave Mumbai at the same time. Traveling.
Question number
15, sir.
Question number 15.
Yes, sir.
Is this? Yeah. There is Mumbai. One car is moving in this direction. One car is moving in this direction and another car is moving in this direction. Right?
Yes, sir.
With
At the same time, traveling in opposite directions.
right?
If the average speed of car A is 8 km per hour, more than that of B.
Suppose this is car A and this is car B. So average speed of car B is equal to x kilometers per hour. X kilometers per hour. Average speed of car A is how much given to you? 8 kilometer more.
8 kilometer per hour.
More, na?
More than that of B.
X plus 8. Right?
Yes, sir.
X plus 8 kilometer per hour. Right? Now, in 3 hours. है ना? क्या लिखा है?
Sir, at the same time. Yes, sir.
क्या?
सर इसमें सर
जो लिखा है वो पढ़ो ना, मुझे नहीं याद है, बोलो.
इसमें more than that of B.
हाँ.
And they are 300 kilometer apart.
हाँ?
They are 300 kilometer apart.
हाँ?
At the end of 6 hours.
Yes. 300 kilometers apart. 300 kilometers apart in 6 hours. Right?
Yes, sir.
So, again I told you, distance is equal to speed into time. Right?
Yes, sir.
So, अब distance क्या है? कोई बात. Distance is 6 hours. Three kilometers apart, ना?
Yes, sir. 3 kilometer apart.
ठीक है. ये एक अलग फिनोमिना है. So D1 is equal to speed of car for car B. Distance covered that is dB is equal to speed is x, time is 6. So it is 6x kilometers. Right? For car A. Distance covered that is dA is equal to x plus 8 into 6 kilometer. Right? And total, so dA plus dB is equal to 300 kilometers. यही है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो where you reach? So dA is how much? X plus 8 into 6 plus 6x is equal to 300, right?
Yes, sir.
So ये कितना हो गया? 6x plus 48 plus 6x is equal to 300, and 12x is equal to 300 minus 48 becomes 252, right? So x is equal to 252 upon 12. It becomes 21 kilometers per hour, right? So car B speed of car B is equal to x kilometer per hour is equal to 21 kilometer per hour, right?
Yes, sir.
And speed of car A is equal to x plus 8 kilometer per hour. So it becomes 21 plus 8 kilometer per hour is equal to 29 kilometer per hour. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So check the answer. Second sheet, check. "21 kilometer per hour
Yes, sir.
and 29 kilometer per hour."
It's a 29 kilometer per hour.
Okay, come to question number 14. Come to question number 14.
Sir, came.
Hmm?
Sir, came.
What is there?
Sir, length of a rectangular blackboard.
Take minute. Question number
14, sir.
14. Huh.
The length of a rectangular blackboard.
This is a rectangular
Blackboard.
blackboard. Yes.
Is 8 meter more than its breadth?
Breadth is x or length is x plus 8. Right?
Yes, sir.
Rectangular board, right?
Yes, sir.
X and x plus 8. This is breadth and this is
Length.
Okay, so now
So if its length is increased by 7 meter
hmm,
and its breadth is decreased by 4 meter,
hmm.
its area remain unchanged, what is the length of the blackboard?
This is rectangular blackboard 1. What? Rectangular blackboard 1.
1.
Now we have another rectangular blackboard, right?
Yes, sir.
What is given you there? What are dimensions?
Sir, if the length is increased by 7 meter.
Length is increased by 7 meter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so x plus 8 plus 7. And then?
And its breadth is decreased by 4 meter.
X minus 4 meter. It is in meter.
Yes, sir.
It is in meter. It is in meter. It is rectangular board, rectangular board 2, right?
Yes, sir.
And area of given area rectangular board 1 is equal to area rectangular board 2, right?
Yes, sir.
तो ये क्या हुआ? It is given, right? So what you will do now? X into x plus 8, x into x plus 8 is equal to x plus 15 into x minus 4. So it is x square plus 8x is equal to x square plus
8x.
15x minus 4x minus 60, right? This x square and x square is gone, and this is 8x and ये कितना हो गया? 11. 15x minus 4x becomes 11x. So 8x, so if minus comes here, 60 is equal to 11x minus 8x is equal to 3x.
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to 60 by 3 becomes 20 meter, right?
Yes, sir.
So breadth is equal to x is equal to 20 meter, and length is equal to x plus 8. So 20 plus 8, right?
Yes, sir.
कितना आया?
28.
28 meter. What is the answer? Is this?
सर इसमें 14 तो नहीं दिया है.
नहीं दिया, मैं ऐसा नहीं सकता.
डायरेक्ट 13 ही देखिए.
दिखा? नो सारे नहीं था.
14 दिख नहीं रहा.
कौन सा है?
14 तो हम लोग कर रहे हैं.
क्या पूछा?
सर रेक्टेंगल और जो डिक्रीज हो गया जब रेक्टेंगल
हाँ ठीक है, उनका एरिया सेम है। फिर लास्ट में क्वेश्चन क्या है?
लास्ट में क्वेश्चन, वो तो क्वेश्चन शीट आपके पास है।
तुमने क्वेश्चन, यू वोंट रीड क्वेश्चन कि क्या है क्वेश्चन? Length of the blackboard, it is asking.
Yes sir.
That is 28 meter. Length of rectangular blackboard is equal to 28 meter. ठीक है?
Yes sir.
So what will be the area of this? This is 20 ना?
Yes sir.
20 प्लस इसका हो जाएगा 20
20
20 प्लस 15 becomes 35
35
और ये हो गया 20 माइनस 4 becomes
20
16, तो 35 into 16, 16 5 is 80,
Yes sir.
08, 16 3 is 3 times 16 becomes 48, 48 or 8 56.
56
So 560 meter square.
Yes sir.
If we come here, then here is breadth is 20 meter and length is 28 meter. So area is 28 into 20. 0, 2 times 8 becomes 16. 1, 2 times 4, 1, 5 becomes 560 meter square. Right? 560 meter square. So as question is saying, in both conditions, area of it is same, and length of the blackboard is 28 meter. Length of the blackboard is 28 meter here,
Yes sir.
and here length of the blackboard is 35 meter. Right? I hope you understand. So this much is sufficient for this time.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay then. Bye. Thank you.